How to create a post on Instagram. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Instagram. Make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, click on this plus icon at the top left corner of the screen. It will land you on this page. At the bottom of the screen, you have to select post instead of story or reel. After that, select any of the posts that you want to upload on Instagram. Let me select this one for now. Once selected, tap on next. Now you can edit the picture from all of the features below. Once done, tap on next, or you can also add audio as well. You can select any of the music. Once you've added the music as well, tap on next at the bottom right corner. Now enter the caption or hashtag, whatever you want to. Let me put some of the hashtags. Let me add one more. Once you're done adding the hashtags, click on OK at the top right corner. Now you can tag people, add location, and tap on share once done. After that, your post will be uploaded to Instagram, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.